Hello everyone, is this even on? Okay, two lines on one square, just a second. Okay, hold on just a minute. Okay. We're gonna do... Okay, we're gonna do a review on something that was really interesting. It's historical. Um, this is not... This is something that would have appeared, in the Second World War, which sucks, and also smoking. Viewer discretion is advised. This is not for children or adults or anyone else, and please turn this off because everything is performed by professionals. Please do something productive because this is going to be really fucking stupid. Okay. Oh, also, language. Okay, so this is a Tesla coil something. You push a button and then you get a purple flame. Here, watch. That didn't work. God. Wait, hold on a minute. Okay, that is not to be confused with the brand the company corporation that produces the cars Tesla. Okay, okay. This is interesting. This is a Zippo lighter. Check this out. What the fuck? Okay, so we're gonna be doing a review here. As you can tell, because you know your shapes and you shoved them in the right hole when you were a preschooler, this is a rectangle. That's interesting. You can see it doesn't have the rounded top. It's like perfectly, 100 and whatever, 100,000 degree angle and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna do a review here. You want to see some nature? We're gonna check out some nature. Check it out. Wow, that was so cool. Got birds, we got like the animals and plants and stuff.